If you want to create simple stairs in Blender fast and easily, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple method using the Bevel tool to turn a basic cube into stair-shaped geometry in just a few steps. This is a great technique for building blocky stair assets for scenes, game environments, prototype layouts, or just learning Blender modeling basics. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Blender and make sure you have the default cube in your 3D viewport. We'll use this cube as the base for the stairs. If you don't see it, you can add one with Shift-A and then choose Mesh and Cube, but in most cases, Blender opens with the cube already there. Once the cube is selected, press Tab on your keyboard to enter Edit Mode. Edit Mode is where you can change the actual shape of the mesh, which is what we need for this method. Now press 2 on your keyboard to switch to Edge Select. This lets you work with edges instead of vertices or faces, which is important because we're going to bevel an edge to create the stair effect. After that, select one top edge of the cube. For this technique, choose a top edge on the cube that will become the stair direction. It can be any top edge depending on how you want your stairs to face, but make sure the edge is clearly selected before moving on. Next, press Ctrl B to activate the Bevel tool. As soon as you do that, move your mouse to start beveling the edge. You'll see the edge begin to round or change shape, but don't worry, that's just the starting point. Adjust the bevel slightly until it creates the amount of space you want, then click to confirm the bevel. After you confirm it, Blender will show the Bevel panel in the bottom left corner. This is where the real customization happens. If the panel disappears, you can usually undo and try again, or look for the last operation settings right after the bevel is created. Open the Bevel panel and look for the Profile preset option. Change that preset to Steps. This is the key setting that turns the standard bevel into a stair-like shape instead of a smooth, rounded edge. Once you switch it to Steps, the bevel will start looking much more like a staircase. Now increase the segments value. As you raise the segments, you'll see more step divisions appear along the edge, which makes the stairs look cleaner and more defined. The higher the segments, the more individual steps you'll get, so adjust it based on how detailed you want the stairs to look. Keep in mind that this is a fast modeling trick, so it works especially well for stylized or simple environments where you want stairs built quickly without starting from scratch. If the steps look too small or too large, you can always go back and adjust the bevel amount and segments until the shape looks right for your project. And that's it! You've now created simple stairs in Blender using the Bevel tool. It's a quick, beginner-friendly method that can save a lot of time when you need stair geometry for your scene. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tips, modeling shortcuts, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.